lots of your beautiful places. And tell me something about this project. Where are we here?
Okay. Well, first, let me tell you my name.
Yes.
I'm Dave Anderson, originally born in Romania, but I'm a U.S. citizen, and I'm a builder and developer here in Costa Rica. The place where we are here is called Brisas del Mar, and it's located in about 2.5 hours driving from San Jose, and about 2 hours south to Panama. The name of the place is called Palma Quemada. It's located in Altillo, about 7 kilometers to Dominical, and about 25 kilometers, 30 kilometers to Manuel Antonio.
Oh, nice.
Where actually the small airport is there. Like I said, it takes 2.5 hours to go to San Jose. It takes only 20 minutes by a small plane, which they fly here daily. The whole project it contains 22 residential lots and 2 commercial lots. We are right off of the main road, which is Highway 34. Costa Rica, yeah, it's an international road that actually you can drive to US all the way. Yeah. And so we have 22 lots, like I said, which some of them are with ocean view and some of them are just with jungle view. And depends what the customer wants. They are all ready to be built on, has electricity and water. And we can also have a construction company which is Anderson Global Construction.
How big are these lots?
Those lots are 5,000 meters minimum each.
Each one?
Each one of them, yeah.
Wow.
So you can put a large house on it and a smaller house, or 2 large houses, plenty of room. Also, somebody might want to have some gardening and.
So they can do their own fruits. They also can do some kind of business like an Airbnb or.
Definitely, yes. So it's very common here in Costa Rica. People has build a house for themselves and then they build one for Airbnb. Or the ones that don't want to live here full time, they can rent out the house they build, and this way get some revenue.
Nice.
Yeah.
You said you were in construction. You were a builder.
Yes, I've been in construction business actually all my life. I'm 65. My father and my family, they've been in construction. So my father was a builder and been working with him ever since I was a kid, maybe 12, 14 years old. So I had different projects in US, but also done a few projects here, and actually we are doing a couple of projects right now.
I think I saw one in Dominical. You were doing a big pool for a hotel or something like that.
Correct. Yes.
And also a building very close to here.
In Hatillo.
In Hatillo.
Yeah, that's a 3-story building, about 10,000 square feet.
Yeah. Very difficult, right there.
Very difficult place to build because of the landscaping and access.
And also not ruin the nature.
Correctly, yeah. The owner is wants to keep all the trees and don't cut anything down.
So these they're almost ready to go.
They are all ready to go. Yeah. So which it means.
So what's the idea behind this? I mean, what if I'm interested in one of these lots and I want to look how this will work?
Okay, so how it works? You choose your lot. You might want to have an ocean view or just a jungle view. So you choose your lot. You choose the size and type of the house you want. Single story, 2 stories, from 100 square meters to 500 square meters if you want. It all depends. Just to give you a general price, like the lots without ocean view, they start like $140,000. And then we have a lot that has already a swimming pool on it with a rancho, and that would be $225. And then some are
5,000 square meters with a pool.
Correct.
I think also a rancho is on there.
Correct. Yeah. A rancho, shower, bathroom, and the pool.
Yeah, nice.
So that's all ready to build. And also has 2 buildable lots. Actually, all the lots you can have two houses on it.
So that means I can build one house for myself,
Correct.
and one as a guest house, or one if I have a friend who wants to share the lot. And so my friend also can build on another place. Everybody will have his own entrance, right?
Correct, yeah.
Privacy is still there.
Privacy, and actually it's going to be a gated community and very safe. Has the roads, like I said, water, electricity, all that. Ready.
Nice.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Do I need a four-wheel drive to reach my house, or will it do without a four-wheel drive? Like,
No. You don't need a four-wheel drive here. A lot of places here in Costa Rica
I know,
need four-wheel
that's why I'm
drives.
asking.
Yeah. But no, you don't need all the roads are very easy to drive on, accessible, don't need a four-wheel drive. And the steeper ones, like where the pool is, they are concrete roads. So definitely don't need a four-wheel
Alright,
drive.
perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect. David, thank you so much for your information.
Peter, very welcome.
And
Thank you
we'll
for
see.
the
I hope we
questions.
will find many people who will like this place. I love this place.
I hope so too. I hope so too.
Thank you so much.